you doing any wholesaling right now, or this like the investor plug is the main thing? It just sustains you and keeps you so busy that you don't really have time
We're
to do
pretty
any.
much there. We're almost not wholesaling as much. We're still doing a handful of deals a month. It's definitely not as much as we were, but I still don't know anywhere you can just make the kind of rips you can make wholesaling. So like, we definitely don't turn deals down. We do some cool stuff at the boiler room, but we have good relationships with a lot of lead vendors and stuff. So we have like a bunch of leads and data. Once I get investor plug where I need it to be, where we can hire some more support team and some stuff I don't need to be in it as much, I think I'm going to go back and try to rebuild the acquisitions team. I'm really good at doing sales and marketing, building systems and all that. But one of the things I struggle with is building teams and getting people.